at what the different colors mean in the British wiring. In this video, we will explain the wiring color code for single-phase electrical installation in the UK in just 1 minute. The wiring code for single-phase electrical installation in the UK is comprised of 3 main colors: brown, blue, and green yellow. The brown wire is called the live wire. It's the primary conductor of electrical current and should be connected to the live terminal of an electrical appliance or lamp. The live wire carries electrical current from the power source to the appliance, so it's important to handle it with care. The blue wire is called the neutral wire. It should be connected to the neutral terminal of an electrical appliance or lamp. The function of the neutral wire is to provide a return path to current or electricity back to the source for safety reasons. The third color in the wiring code is green yellow. It's called the earth wire and it's used for safety purposes. It should be connected to the earth terminal of an electrical appliance or lamp. The earth wire helps to direct fault and short circuits away from people and property, so it's a crucial safety measure. So to recap, the blue wire is the neutral wire, the brown wire is the live wire, and the green yellow wire is the earth wire. Knowing these colors and their functions will help ensure proper electrical safety in your home or office. Thanks for watching.